it's all here. This is beautiful. Been waiting a long time for someone to find you.
Starting with the front bumper, every fastener gets cataloged. Doors come off next. Years of dust shake free as the hinges let go. Seats, dashboard, glass, piece by piece, the SL is stripped to its shell. Finally, the body roll.
I'm looking for 4.5 millimeters right through here. Nice and even. Little tap on the shim brings it flush. This edge was proud, so I'm just dressing it back. That's the line we want. Perfect.
Lightweight filler is spread across those shallow lows, feathered right into the primer. Once it kicks, a guide coat shows every high and low. The longboard knocks the tops off and bridges the valleys. Ready for final.
Deep one. Looking good.
Smooth brushwork lets the ivory settle into the seams. Then the gun lays down an even coat across the firewall and fenders, just like it left Stuttgart. Tape comes off to a perfect edge, and the black brackets drop in.
Seat slides right into place, radio buttons check out, top latch is smooth, carpet feels perfect. That's a 190SL cockpit reborn.
There we go. That's perfect. Smooth as silk. She's ready.
Oil's right on the mark. Idle set, smooth. Headlight aligned. Top cycle's clean. Brakes firm. Steering tight. She's ready.
Bringing it forward. Hinges feel smooth. That's the front rail. Line it up and lock. Nice and tight. Drop it again. Folds clean. No creases. Bring it back up and click. Perfect seal.
She's a beauty.
Beautiful. Feels like new again.